My grandfather, my father, my uncle started in this business kind of out of a desperate need. He built it up on the relationships, the honesty, and the hard work, and it grew. MCF is about relationships first. We feel our role is to make your job as simple as it possibly can be. We help our customers solve problems. We try and understand what you need and get it to you as quickly as we possibly can. And a lot of the things that we do and that make us unique have grown out of needs of our customers. That's ultimately what we are. And that goes back to the beginning when my grandfather started this business. It was all driven off of relationships.